The workers struck a bulging bag with a stick, causing water to flow out. This bag is called a geotextile tube and is part of the dewatering and solidification method used to clean up sludge. First, sludge is pumped into the geotextile tube through a pipeline. The geotextile tube, made from high-strength polypropylene fibers, offers excellent permeability while blocking soil particles from escaping. Once the tube is filled with sludge, it is placed on the ground and static gravity slowly drains the water. Continuous gravity drainage shows that after the tube is cut open, the remaining contents inside are solidified soil, which can then be easily transported and processed.